If you are looking for top-notch LED product suppliers, then you're just in luck. Ranpo Lighting Technology Co. Limited is one of the most trusted LED lighting suppliers in China, with a number of sales outlets globally. Here's why we are the best. Ranges of interior lighting products, from LED ceiling and spotlights to LED wall lamps and strip lights. You can also find decoration lighting, including night lights, party mask lights, and many more. Our product range suits well with commercial as well as residential settings. We take each product to be different and new, to cater to the needs of every customer. We serve them with paramount quality solutions. Lowest MOQ requirement. We are the manufacturers and distributors, and thus we can easily cater to your quantities. Just tell us what you want, and we'll take care of the rest. High quality and competitive prices. Can't believe it? Why don't you give us a try?